Hi everyone, we are all in a quarantine, and during this quarantine, we do a lot of activities like cooking, playing, watching, eating, and many more activities. One of the favorite is eating, and the food we miss is eating a pizza. So let's have a pizza. For 1 week, we eat a lot of foods. Studies show that along with this food, we consume something for 5 grams. So let's see what is that and how we take it. And here it is, microplastic, but a macro problem. Actually, microplastic defines, there's no definition found, but there is a condition which can give a term microplastic for any material. That is, the size of that microplastic should be less than 5 millimeter, but should be greater than 1 nanometer. And the classification is primary and secondary. These microplastic are toxic when they enter the food chain or any other ways into the environment. And this toxicity depends on the following factors: size, surface area, shape, surface characteristics, and the chemical composition of the microplastic. So let's see how this process works. And consider a monomer which is ready to undergo a reaction to form a polymer. Here the reaction goes, but the polymer comes even before the completion. This is because of the fact that a reaction cannot be 100%. As a result, we're going to look into the structure of the polymer. We can see some monomer units, and these monomer units are termed as microplastic. Essentially, these microplastic, being small in size, can enter into the environment so easily and leading a big impact on the food chain, causing a huge footprint as they will be huge in number. So these microplastics enter into us through air and water, using water as an ocean sink and air as a medium too. So let's see how they're gonna affect the environment and human life. When the microplastics enter the water bodies, the fish which gonna consume these microplastic gonna die because of the ingestion problems, and human, when they're gonna inhale these microplastic, they're gonna have respiratory problems. So what to do? Treatment of drinking water. This can remove nearly 90% of microplastic, and the other methods are proper disposal and recycling of plastic, or else not using a plastic. This is all about microplastic. Thank you for watching.
Do subscribe. This is Team ChemUnique from Iiche Students Chapter, Sastra deemed to be University.